I'm going to be showing you how to download Taskrabbit app in your iPhone in 2026. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Since we're trying to download it in your iPhone, we just need to open your app store where you can download apps. So just go ahead and tap on App Store. As you can see, it's right there at the top. So after you do so, you'll be in this interface right there. So now what we need to do is look at the bottom where you have games, apps, and the search button. Just tap here, and now you just need to type it in and search for it. So as you can see, Taskrabbit is right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you do, you have all sorts of information about Taskrabbit right there. So it's to book trusted help for home tasks and all sorts of options here. You can also find reviews to see if it's a good app or not. And then at the top, you can just tap on Get and verify your Apple ID, and then the download process should begin. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.